No, and then you get fought in and you'll never see something again. Okay, now we need to go over the duck shark because we can't get bites. So let's go there. We need to watch out with the duck. This thing, come on, duck fight. We can't have much time. A duck's gonna come to bite us. Okay, now let's go that way. A duck is gonna not bite. No, we're not gonna die of it, but. Okay, now let's go, Disney. Come on, run! But look, we're going to step walk, so we're gonna go. And that's step walk. Come on, Disney. Come on, Disney. Let's keep going here. Okay. We're gonna go here now. Come on! If we have to play here. Now look, we're only not going in the pool. We're going to play on the park. We're not going in the pool because it's cold. It's a little bit, but we're going in the pool because it's cold. Boom. You see? Yeah. So we're not going to go in the pool. Are we going in the pool or it's raining or it's going to start to rain? Oh, it's cold. People could die in round. And then when the sun comes up and it's not cold, then they need to save them by diving. Yay, come on, Destiny. We're already there. Yay! Why should you want this? Watch me do it. No, but look. That's me. You can do this. Really can. Okay. Oh, Maya! Look at me! Joy, put me on this. I'm scared. Destiny, you can't go in those, you can go in the other one. Push me. Destiny, you need to do what I'm doing. That way you don't fall. And you need to stay like it forever. Should they push me?